list of wholesome, made-me-smile videos from Animal Rescue, a YouTube channel with 59 million views at the time of writing. Sometimes, a hopeful, restorative act of humanity is what we need to get through, and these videos take you on a ride from distress to hope. Welcome to the channel, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the notification bell below. Also, let us know in the comments which Animal Rescue video was your favorite. Let's begin. Number 8. This video is of a rescue mission in Russia, saving a dog that almost drowned in tar. Two rescuers struggled to pull it out of the pool of tar. The dog's eyes were also covered in tar, and the overall weight of the poor thing was approximately 70 kilograms, according to the rescuers. It was evident in the video that they were trying to remove as much tar that was sticking to most of the dog's body using their hands. Then they brought it to the shelter to be washed. They were surprised to see that a dog's fur was actually long and fuzzy during the washing process. They had to trim it off for the dog could not be cleaned faster. It's a calm video, and it's so refreshing to see something not very cruel in Animal Rescue. Plus, getting taken care of by many humans as a restorative of faith in humanity. Number 7. The next one is a bit distressing. You'll know once you hear the audio. The dog in the video was in deep pain and is noticeably mad or irritated when it's bothered. The video starts out with a kind woman who reported that a dog needed rescuing after being beaten up by kids who were surely not giving their mother something to smile about. They gave the dog some blankets and it was behaving like us, traumatized after an altercation, mad, scared, no soul deserves this. Seeing this video will help you realize that no soul should experience unjust treatment. They were so heartbroken they were determined to piece him back together. At the shelter, he was given the name Suki, and since it was a Sunday and doctors weren't around, they gave him anti-inflammatory medications to relieve pain for the meantime. The next morning, Suki was x-rayed, and it turned out that he also had spine and heart problems, causing him pain. It was heartbreaking to see an innocent little one suffer silently. So the team did their best to treat him. In 2 months, the dog has started to look like a normal one. With healthy fur and with head up high, these are just proof that the place is taking good care of the animal. For me, that's a good redemption from a distressing start. Number 6. A street puppy was rescued after being brutally attacked by police dogs as part of a street dog genocide. She was given the name in Chinese, which means strong girl. She has 2 legs, left, her right front leg, and her left hind leg. Her other 2 were torn off during the cruelly traumatic assault. She was rushed to the vet to get treatment when they found that she survived the attack. She was just a puppy with a future ahead of her. She was in so much pain judging by her shaky moves, but she didn't look like someone with a broken spirit. She was fighting even though she was weakened. She still had the will to live as puppies normally have. The video ends with a positive wish that the barbaric policy would be lifted and that the puppy would grow up into a strong adult dog with the help of a walking aid. Tragic and hard to watch, but it sends a message of hope that comes from survival and optimism. Number 5. From pitiful to fierce. This video incorporates lots of photos of the dog during the treatment, and you can see her awesome transformation. The puppy's name was Slady, and she had multiple severe problems in her body, especially her legs. Her mange was so severe that she looked like a hairless pup with scabies. She couldn't walk properly, and she was bullied by people in town who didn't know better. It's so sad to be the dog in town and nobody likes because you look different and sick. The rescuers did all they could to help Lady. They gave her kindness and medical treatments. Soon enough, she regained all her fur, weight, and health. She could walk better and was able to be the puppy she ought to be. Number 4. Mango the dog. Mango was a dog found just outside the forest with 3 broken legs. How that happened was a mystery. However, the footage showed that he was given attention and care by a man named Kenlaren Tutkuso, who drove him to the vet. After his treatment, Mango's broken legs were dressed and he was given a wheelchair. In this video, he is seen trying it out, and it's a big help to dogs with disabilities, so walking wouldn't be stressful for them. To the people who did this wonderful deed, kudos. Number 3. This video opens with a warm, heart-wrenching scene. The puppy was clearly calling for help. He is paralyzed, and trying to crawl around is already stressful and difficult for him. He was abandoned in the streets, so concerned citizens took notice and brought him to the vet. Medicine was administered and he was given a saline solution. This helped a lot in restoring strength in the puppy. The next day, surgery was performed on him. The puppy will stay at the shelter to be cared for and protected. After some time of good quality care, the puppy was able to regain his strength and spirits and was able to play and eat again. Number 2, this is Marbles. He's just a kitten when he suffered an assault from a bigger cat. For this, he was rescued and received care from vets. He was severely traumatized that he had trouble moving and eating. With the help of the people at the rescue center, Marbles was able to fight for his young life. 8 days later, he regained his ability to walk. The seizures went away and he was able to play again, which is just what kittens deserve. Such a hopeful thing to behold. And number 1, the dog with epilepsy. This one is heartbreaking. Take a look. His mouth was foaming and those spasms were uncontrollable. Epilepsy is a nervous system disorder, and the owner said that episodes get triggered when the dog is excited, especially around food. He had to be tied up to be safe. His name is Chim Chim, and this clip was hard to watch. Seeing the situation of the dog deserves better. When Chim Chim was rescued, a surgery was performed and he was given medications to manage his epilepsy. He was seen eating normally at the shelter after his treatments, and with continued treatment, he will be able to live a normal life for dogs without getting triggered again. Did you like our picks? I know some of them are hard to watch, but the important thing is the ray of hope we get after people have come together to help one another to make another soul's life better, to protect innocent souls and give them a dignified life. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which video is your favorite. Visit Animal Rescue's YouTube channel, I'll link them in the description box below. See you next time!